Hi there, students. Ingrate. An ingrate, a countable noun, or ingrates, plural. Okay, an ingrate is somebody who is ungrateful. Yeah? This is criticizing somebody who is not satisfied or doesn't feel gratitude for what has been done for them. An ungrateful person. Very often this noun is just used as an exclamation on its own. Ingrate. Yeah, criticizing somebody. They're just a bunch of ingrates. Yeah, they are not grateful for the things that they've done. Yeah, they're a load of ingrates. I put them up in my house for a week. I gave them food and everything they wanted. I entertained them. And then they complained that I couldn't let them stay another week because I had some other friends coming. Ingrates. Okay, so ingrates. These are people who are not grateful. Yeah. I always get the feeling that this JFK, John F. Kennedy phrase, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. I think he's saying don't be a load of ingrates, yeah? Be more positive. So ingrates, an ingrate. Yeah, well, I get the feeling as well in Western society, we're a load of ingrates. We have an easy life. We've got everything we need. We've got more than enough food. Yeah, maybe it's not perfect all the time, but it's pretty damn comfortable. Yeah, so I think we're probably a load of ingrates. Yeah, so an ingrate, a person who shows no gratitude. Yeah, somebody who is a thankless wretch. I quite like that phrase. Yeah. Yeah, so they're just a load of ingrates. Yeah, they're a load of people who just are not happy with what they get. Okay, as this ingrate and cankered Bolingbroke, to quote William Shakespeare, or Edmund Spenser from the Fairy Queen, yet in his mind malicious and ingrate. Notice in this one it's being used as an adjective, although I don't think I would use it as an adjective today. I would just use it as a criticism for somebody who's just ungrateful. Ingrates. Yeah. I'm very lucky in my in this channel. Clearly, people participate and they comment and they give me ratings. Clearly, you're not a load of ingrates. Okay, now formality. That's an interesting one. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. Use it informally and use it in something very formal. I don't want to be thought an ingrate, but please give this channel a rating. Okay, so use it anywhere. And then as to origin, well, this clearly comes from Latin. Ingratus, disagreeable, in, not, and gratus, pleasing. So if somebody is an ingrate, clearly it's not very pleasing. Yeah, at least they could say thank you and be grateful for what you've done. Well, but then if you're a good person, you don't do it for them to be grateful. You do it because it comes out of you. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Ingrate. Ingrates.